We are getting ready to go. There's my sister, Jessica. I don't know if you're in it, but here's me. And there's my other sister,
Are ourselves going to stay dry in there?
Hey, Allie. Hey, Allie. Say hi to my vlog. There's Allie. Zoom so that she can see herself. Don't make waves on me, please. I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh, Allie in the background. How cool. Let me see your glasses.
I can't see with my glasses.
Oh, no. No, I'm brave. I'm brave. Yeah, come on. Wait. Woo!
Hold on! You better hold on.
Hey, you should subscribe to her. P.S. I love you ×2. You go! Get there! Woo! That's my sister. She's always been the brave one.
Oh my gosh! Jessica! Woo! Jessica's riding the wave.
I obviously just came to film. I didn't come to do any of those cool tricks, right? Can you even see? So if you're ever here in Myrtle Beach, or still in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, come to this place and you can see my name right there. Let's do that. How do you feel?
We had a lot of fun watching you guys in the alley, man.
How are you?
Every time she left the water,
so
like,
much
whoa!
Don't lie. The vlog knows
sure.
if you
I was
lie.
in video and she was.
Oh my god.
You had fun?
That was so much fun.
Oh, you had a good time.
Did you have fun too, Al?
That was awesome.
How about you, Dad?
It was good.
Jessica's just upset because she had to go in first.
Exhilarating is good word for it, yes.
Oh, okay.
What does that mean?
Mama, did you have fun?
I had fun.
I was miserable.
Ow!
No, it was fun when we got out to the ocean, but it was really
fun out there
scary.
with the
I thought I was
waves.
going to drown going out there.
Well, because you wouldn't hold on.
I had
was
fun
like-
going out there.
I didn't. The
The
ride
waves
out
were
there
like
was.
this, so it was like,
every once in a while, I felt like I was gonna fall off.
Yeah, I
know,
thought
like
it
that.
was
And
over.
that
I
was-
just stopped the whole
and
thing.
I let go, and then it just like jolts you through.
Yeah.
Oh my
I
gosh.
was going really slow on my way down there. And
And
then
then-
Dad
but
came over and he
once
said,
we were in the ocean, I was
faster you
very
go, the
comfortable.
quicker you'll get there.
Yeah.
No, the smoother the ride.
Yeah.